Hey SuperExers, welcome to today's guide on how to set take profit and stop loss on SuperEx. Understanding perpetual contracts is key. These are trades that don't expire, allowing you to hold positions indefinitely. This is where take profit and stop loss come in, crucial tools for risk management in trading. Take profit is the price level you set to automatically close your trade in profit. It secures your earnings before the market can turn. Stop loss, on the other hand, is set to minimize potential losses by closing the trade if the market reaches a certain low. Here's how to set your take profit and stop loss. Before opening a position, go to the take profit and stop loss setting page. You need to set a target price for both take profit and stop loss. SuperEx offers three methods: by price, by profit and loss, or by percentage of profit and loss. Choose the one that aligns with your strategy. By default, you should set both take profit and stop loss. However, if you wish to set only one, simply uncheck the other in the advanced settings. Once your position is open, your take profit and stop loss settings will be active and can be viewed or modified at any time in the take profit and stop loss section. That's it for today's guide. Remember, smart risk management is the cornerstone of successful trading. For more trading strategies and tips, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.